All right, guys, back again. We've got Doug J. He's going to do 2 boxes of 2014 Leaf Legends of the Links Golf. This one's been on fire today. Ooh, I like this one. Very nice cut. Our cut autograph, 19 of 28. Gene Saracen. World Golf Hall of Fame. And our scorecard is Gene Littler. The Toshiba Senior Classic. Shot 68 that day. And box number 2. I believe this person is actually the winningest golfer in history. And it's not who you're thinking either. Oh, I really like this next one coming up. I believe she's won more professional golf tournaments than any golfer out there. Kathy Whitworth. Numbered 8 of 10. And our scorecard, Freddie Couples and Duffy Waldorf. And old Duffy Waldorf shot 75 that day. All right, Doug, appreciate it, buddy. Congrats. 2 very nice boxes. Later.